36W dual-port car charger, equipped with both USB-C port, power delivery 3.0, and USB-A port, quick charge 3.0, output. Can charge all the standard USB devices and the new USB-C Apple Android's devices at full speed simultaneously. Intelligently identifies devices to safe charging and charges phone up to 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Fast Charger 18W PD and 18W QC car charger adapter provide fast charging for Apple and Android smartphones and tablets, power banks, sports watches, etc. 3x faster on charging speed than usual car adapter, compatible with Samsung Galaxy S21, S20 Plus, Ultra, S10, S9, Note 2010. Safe charging, built-in multiple protection and intelligent circuit design will prevent the devices from overcurrent, overheating, overcharging, short circuit, cuts the power automatically when the battery fully charging. The case is made of flame-retardant grade ABS material, heat resistance and chemically stable for long-lasting, with the blue indicator LED light for easy to find at night. Compact and lightweight, the USB-C car charger is smaller than a credit card, portable to use and take everywhere, and perfect to plug and unplug to the most cigarette lighters, can work with car form 12 volts to 24 volts, include cars, SUV, van, truck and so on. What you get: 36W dual-port car charger *1, user manual *1, our worry-free 12-month. Our reliable customer service will be sure to reply within 24 hours and offer proper solutions for you. Top reviews from the United States. Speeds up charging my phone. Low-profile 12V power supply for charging my phone in my truck. Works twice as fast as my old one. Similar to plugging into my household charger.